Now the third function is ToDays. ToDays function is used to convert a time span value to a total number of days. So here you can see I have taken an input of time span. So double click here, and now you can see here in the time, once you select here time span, we have the option to put days, hours, minutes and seconds. So we have 4 values, 4 input values. So I have entered value here 1 1 1. It means 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute and 1 second. Now this value I am going to pass here, and then I will show you how to convert a time span value to a days in number. So we already have this days, and this is a number data type, and this time span is the time span data type. So double click here, and we are passing this value, this time span here, and then we are going to store this and run this. Now you can see what we are getting. We are getting this error. So what we can do to convert this, we have to write here ToDays. Now click OK. Now click on a step, and you can see here we have this value that is days 1. Now how we are getting this? So here you can see we have time span value that is 1, that is day, 01 that is hour, 01 that is minute, 01 that is second. So here it will give you a day. So in this one, the first number, that is a day. You can see from here that is a day. But here we have 1 hour. So 1 hour we cannot convert to a day. So by this way we can convert a time span value to a total number of days. Now the fourth function is ToHours. ToHours function converts a time span value to a total number of hours. Now again we will be taking the same time span as an input. We have 1 day, 1 hour, 1 minute, 1 second, and here you can see we have taken the same input value and we are going to store in hours. And what is this hours? So hours is a data type number. This is the data item stage. Now if we step here, so we are getting this error that no conversion available from time span to number. So how can we overcome to this issue? So we have to again double click. We have the fourth number, that is 2 hours. So these functions we need to put here, that is 2 hours. Now open and the close bracket. Now click OK. Now click on step. So you can see here now we are getting value. Here we have a time span. We have 1 day, 1 hour. So 1 day means 24 hours is equals to 1 day. So we already have 24 hours, and here we have 1 hour. So 24 hours plus 1, 25 hours, and this is minutes. So it will not add any value to this, because here we are just getting a whole number of total number of hours only. Now we'll learn ToMinutes function. ToMinutes function is used to convert a time span value to minute. So again we are going to use the same time span input value and will store in this minutes, that is in the number data type. So double click here, and you can see here we are going to take the time span and store in the minutes. Now again click on step, and you can see again the same error we are getting here, because we are not able to convert this value to a number here, because we have this time span. So how can we convert? So again we have this 2 minutes. So we are going to convert this time span to minutes. Now click OK and click a step. So here you can see we are getting minutes, that is 1501. So how we are getting this? So we have this 1 day. So 1 day means 24 hours, and then 1 hour also we have 1 day, 1 hour. So plus 1. So we have 25 hours, and we want in the minutes. So 25 hours multiply 60. So it will give you a 1500 minutes. Now 1500 minutes, and here in the time span we have 1 minutes. So plus 1 minutes will give you a 1501 minutes. So you can see here in the output we have 1501. Now the sixth function of conversion is 2 seconds. 2 seconds function is used to convert a time span value to a total number of seconds. So again we are going to use the time span value as an input, and we are going to store in the seconds in the number. Now click on step. So again we are getting this same error because we are not converting this time span value to seconds, so that's why we are getting error. So how can we convert this? So we have this function that is called 2 seconds, open and close bracket. So this is the 2 seconds is the function. Now click step. So you can see here now we have this output that is seconds 90061. So you can see here we have 1501 that is coming from this minutes. If you will multiply with 60 again, because 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, so we are going to convert this minutes to seconds, so multiply 60. So we have 90060, and now in the input if you see here we have one more seconds here. So this seconds will add here. So our output is 90061. 90061 is the seconds that we are getting here. Now we'll talk about ToTime function. ToTime function is used to convert a text value to time. So if you see here, I am using current time. A current time is that we are taking from this input that is stored in a text, because this ToTime function is used to convert a value from text to time, and time is a data type. To convert this, what we can do, we have to write here 2. So we have this current time that is 4:30. Now we have to write here 2 time. Now click OK. Now click on step. So here it's giving us value in the time format, that is 4:30:00. It means hour, minutes and seconds. So this is the time format.